Hello, my name is Mark Elworthy, Superintendent for the St. Francis School District. Today is a big thank you to the community. We have been celebrating the past couple weeks because the community approved 2 referendums. One, an operational referendum that will allow us to maintain staffing and programming, and a capital referendum of $30.6 million, which will allow us to just make significant changes in all 3 of our buildings. During this time, we listened so that we could understand what the community wanted and desired, along with our staff. Thank you for all who attended. Truly appreciate it. The goal now is to enhance our learning settings and give our students quality educational experiences so that they can excel in the future. We couldn't have done this without our 2 business partners, Growth Design Group and C.G. Schmidt. They have been fantastic partners, and we look forward to working with them in the next couple steps. So once again, it's a great day to be a St. Francis Mariner.
So after a fun year of listening sessions and developing the conceptual plan to take to referendum, we're delighted to be moving into the next phase of design, which will take several months, probably a 9-month process, starting with schematic design. And for that, we're focused on listening sessions with a number of focus groups, getting more information to take the conceptual designs and refine them into schematic design. We'll be working on that with the focus groups up through June. And then over the summer, we'll be moving into design development, where we integrate our engineers into the system, getting all of the mechanical systems integrated into the design. So that at the end of the summer, as staff come back, we can review the development with them, double check the progress, and again, listen to input from those focus groups and stakeholders. Then we move into construction documents, where we put together the final plans and specifications, and we'll be working on those through January. And at that point, we'll have a final bid package that we can turn over to C.G. Schmidt, the construction manager, to take out for the bidding process. So right now, we're still listening, trying to get more information, and really looking forward to developing the designs over the next few weeks.
So, we're really excited to get started. I think now that the referendum is passed, there's going to be a lot of questions surrounding when do we actually get going on the construction, because that's when the excitement starts. I think in the summer of 2021, which is this upcoming summer, you're going to see us in and around your buildings looking at existing conditions and starting to verify that the drawings are correct and that the spaces that we'll be remodeling are represented correctly on the drawings. So don't be surprised if you see some missing ceiling tile where we're poking our heads above the ceilings and looking behind walls and things like that, just to get ready for the upcoming construction. The bulk of the construction is going to really begin with bidding in February and March of 2022. We may be doing some preliminary make-ready work come spring break of 2022, but we're going to begin actively constructing the addition at Willow Glen and the rec building starting April or May of 2022. That's going to be largely dependent upon the weather. And then the bulk of the work is going to happen during the summer months of 2022, which is going to be the remodeling at Willow Glen and Deer Creek. So the important thing to remember is that during those times, it's going to be a very intense construction period, so that we're going to need the building vacated, and we'll be working with each of the schools and the teachers and staff to make certain that that's possible. Now, during the summer of 2022, we're also going to be working and starting with some of the athletic fields at the high school. We're still trying to ascertain exactly what that sequence is going to be, but we will be starting construction on the athletic fields and perhaps the concessions at the high school in 2022. Now, through the winter and fall of 2022-2023, we're going to be continuing construction of the addition and finishing that up. We're going to be looking at the rec building and some of the remodeling that's going to be happening in that facility, and that's going to bleed into the spring break of 2023. Finally, all of the work at the high school is going to culminate in the summer months of 2023, which means we'll be done with all of the remodeling and additions for the entire district approximately September 1 or late August of 2023.